Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain Cramer's V for a goodness of fit test as an effect size measure using Excel and my stikpetE library, or add-in actually. This add-in is available at my GitHub. If you go to this link, download that file stikpetE XLAM. Once you downloaded it, open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and then Go, and then browse for the add-in. That should give you access to a lot of additional functions, including ES, short for effect size, Cramer's V for goodness of fit. It requires three things as an input parameter: the chi-square value, the sample size, and the number of categories. And if you like, you can use a Bergsma correction. It simply returns the Cramer's V value. Now, to get those input parameters, you can perform some kind of goodness of fit test. Here I'm showing you the one I've used, the Pearson goodness of fit test, with my own function for that. But I have separate videos on all these tests. But in there you'll find the sample size, the number of categories, the degrees of freedom, but also the test statistic. So we can actually use those values and feed it into the function, and we get ourselves the Cramer's V value. If you like, you can use the TH, short for rules of thumb, for Cramer's V. And in this case, it's indicating to be relatively strong. You simply feed it the effect size measure, and in this case, it's using Rhea and Parker. There are a few other options if you like. You can also convert it to a Cohen W using the ES convert from Cramer's V goodness of fit to Cohen W, and you need to specify the number of categories. You can then use the rules of thumb for Cohen W, and in that case it's actually going to be indicated as large according to Cohen, page 227. Alright, I hope this was actually useful, and thank you for watching.